Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to add decimals. Now before I get started with this problem, I encourage you to pause the video and try this problem off for yourselves. Okay, I'm assuming you've given the problem a go. Let's get started. So here we have 0.3 plus 0.5 equals something. Now 0.3 can be rewritten as 3/10. Because this place value in the decimals is the tenths place. Same can be done with 0.5. This can be rewritten as 5/10. Now you may be wondering, okay, I have 3/10 and I'm adding another 5/10. So I get 8/10 because you're just adding 3 of something and 5 of something. So here we would get 8/10. 8/10. Okay. Now say that we have this model right here. Now we have 3/10 of something. So let's color in 3/10. That is 3/10 of something. That is our first number. Now we have 0.5, which is 5/10. So we're coloring another 5/10, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're coloring this much of it in. 5/10. Now that we've colored all of this in, how much is this equal to? Well, this much right here, that is equal to 8 total shaded boxes. And each box is a tenth, so that's 8/10. So there are two ways of going about this problem. One is the pictorial model, and the other one is just using the tenths and the 5/10. So the answer for this would be 8/10. Now, to rewrite 8/10, how do we do that? Well, we can see that 3/10 is written as 0.3, and 5/10 is written as 0.5. So we can assume that 8/10 will be written as 0.8. Let's move on to the next problem. Now, pause the video again and give this problem a try. Okay, I'm assuming you're giving it a go. Let's get started. Okay, so it says 0.5 plus 0.9. 0.5 can be written as 5/10. Now 0.9 can be written as 9/10. 9/10. Now if we have 5 of something and we're adding 9 of something, what do we get? Well, we would get 14 of something. 14/10 to be exact. Now there might be a little confusion here because tenths only have 10 in them, but here we have 14. So how do you write 14/10? Well, here we have 0.5/10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all of this is colored in as 0.5. Now we have another 9/10, which, well, the rest of this would be 5 because there are 10 in each box. And we would have 4 more, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 0.5 plus 9/10. Now here we have 6 left over out of 2. So out of 2, if we have 2 whole and we have 0.6 left over, if we have 6/10 left over, then we would have 14/10, which is written right here. Now let's go on to how to rewrite 14/10 as a decimal. Well, we know that each tenth has 10 tenths, 10 tenths, 10 tenths, and 4/10. So this is basically 10 tenths plus 4/10. Well, 10 tenths we know that 10 tenths can be written as one whole. And so if we have one whole before a decimal, it would be written as 1, then point, which is a decimal. And how many tenths do we have? We have 4 tenths. So it would be written as 1.4. 14 tenths would be written as 1.4. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And if you have any comments or any suggestions for any videos that you would like me to make, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.